Welcome to Falowen Radio. Ever wondered how to introduce yourself in German? Or why a simple table is somehow masculine? I'm Paul. Today we cover sich vorstellen and articles for A1 learners. Let's welcome our first caller, Liam in Dublin.
Hello, Paul. Also, introducing yourself is easy. Ich heiße Liam. That means, my name is Liam. And ich komme aus Irland. I come from Ireland. Ich wohne in Dublin. I live in Dublin.
Very good, Liam. And how do we ask someone's name?
Oh, we say, wie heißt du? Or like formal, wie heißen Sie? And then freut mich, which is, nice to meet you.
Freut mich, Liam. Thank you. Now, let's welcome Chloe, calling from Toronto, to explain the Artikel.
Hello? Okay, so German nouns have three genders, right? Masculine is der. Zum Beispiel, der Mann, the man. Or like der Tisch, the table. Feminine is die, like die Frau, the woman. Or die Sonne, the sun.
And what about neuter?
Oh, that is das. Das Kind, the child. And das Buch, the book. Plural is always die, like die Kinder. Mein Tipp, always learn the article and noun together. It really helps.
Excellent tip. And indefinite articles? A instead of the?
Yes. For masculine and neuter, we use ein. Ein Mann, ein Buch. For feminine, we use eine Frau. That's it, Simple.
Vielen Dank, Chloe. Remember, listeners, you can practice all of this at www.falowen.app, the best place to learn German, powered by Learn Language Education Academy. Auf Wiedersehen!